Hi guys, how's it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will tell you that why your car is not starting if everything seems to be perfect and perfectly alright in your car. Like for example, your battery is fully charged, there is no mechanical issue you can see in the car, and but still when you try to turn on the keys, it doesn't start. And all of a sudden after few hours, when you start it again, it starts and it keeps starting for weeks or months, and one day again after few weeks or months you stop somewhere for fuel or for something, and then you try to start it again and then it doesn't start. And then all of a sudden after few hours you put the keys in, you try to start it, and it's again work perfectly fine. Alright, so the reason it happens is because of your starter motor is faulty. Alright, first let's understand what is a starter motor actually does. When you turn the key, the starter motor is what crank the engine and gets it running. If it fails, your engine simply won't turn on. Alright, there are few signs you can look for to find that it's the fault of your starter motor. Sign 1. When you turn the key and you hear a single click or rapid clicking but the engine doesn't crank, that is a strong sign. It means power is reaching the starter motor but it's not doing its job. Sign 2. No sound at all. You turn the key and nothing happens, completely silent. This could be dead starter motor or electrical issue. But if your lights and electronics are working fine, starter becomes a likely suspect. Sign 3. Engine doesn't crank. This is the biggest one. If the engine is not turning at all, it's not a fuel issue, it's either a battery, starter motor or wiring. Sign 4. Intermittent starting. Sometimes the car starts, sometimes it doesn't. This often means the starter motor is failing internally. Quick test you can do. Test 1. Check your battery first. Turn on headlights. If they are dim, battery issue. If they are strong, starter motor could be the problem. Test 2. If you can access the starter motor safely, give it a light tap and try starting again. If the car starts, your starter motor is worn out. Test 3. Jump start the car. If jump starting doesn't help, then it's probably not the battery. That points more towards the starter motor. Test 4. Listen carefully. Clicking, starter trying but failing. Silence, no signal or dead starter. Cranking, starter is fine, problem is elsewhere. If your engine cranks normally but doesn't start, then your starter motor is not the problem. That means fuel, spark or sensors. If your car doesn't crank, makes clicking noise, starts intermittently, there is a high chance your starter motor is faulty. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.